everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to cancel Venmo payment in 2025. Venmo only allows cancellation if the recipient hasn't accepted the payment yet. Once the payment is completed, you must request a refund from the recipient. Now, how do you cancel a Venmo payment? First, you have to check the payment status. Like I said, open the Venmo app and go to the menu, then tap on transactions. Find the payment you want to cancel. If it says pending, you can cancel it. If it says completed, then you must ask the recipient to refund you. How? Politely ask the recipient to refund you by going to the payment option in their Venmo app. They should then tap refund. If they refuse, Venmo cannot reverse the transaction. So what do you do if you can't cancel? Dispute with your bank if the link card was used, or you can contact Venmo support for authorized transactions. But Venmo cannot reverse the transaction. Hope you found this video helpful.